Hello, dear friends. This is the Phone Support channel. In this short video, I want to show and tell you what you need to do if personal hotspot on your iPhone doesn't work. Maybe you want to give out the internet and turn on modem mode, but from here you have lost the personal hotspot inscription or is not lit as I have. How do you fix it? Very easy. To do this, you need to click Mobile Data. After that, we turn on the mobile internet. Then go down a little lower and find the item, Mobile Data Network. Click here. Now we go down. And here we find the item, Personal Hotspot. And we click on the item, APN. And next to it we type in the word, Internet. After that we go out and come back in. And we see that the item, Personal Hotspot, works perfectly and the way worked. I can go to this item, turn this checkbox on, and see that everything is already working. Now I can distribute the internet to my friends. This is the way to do it. That was the Phone Support channel. Go to the channel and see other useful videos, like and subscribe. Bye bye.